Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ibiwari John. In today's class, we'll be looking at formula rearrangement. Okay? Before we start solving problems on this, let's see what a formula means. A formula is an equation which connects two or more variables. Variables are unknown. Okay? So for instance, we have the formula for speed. For instance, we have the formula for speed is equals to distance traveled over time taken. All right. So this is a formula and it has three variables. Variable X represents speed. Variable D represents distance traveled, and variable T represents time. So this is a simple formula. So a formula is an equation which connects two or more variables. As we can see in this case, there are three variables that are connected in this formula. So the plural of formula is formula or formulas. Okay, we can rearrange formula using the same process which we use in solving equations. So here S is the subject, here S is the subject of formula. We can decide to make D the subject for formula, or we can decide to make T the subject of formula, depending on what is given to us in the question. All right. So to make any of these variables the subject of formula, we simply use the methods we use in solving equation. Whatever you do to the right hand side of the equation, you do the same on the left hand side of the equation. For this formula we have here on the board, let's make D the subject formula. So to make D the subject formula in this case, we will decide, since here is D is divided by T here, we'll multiply both sides by T to eliminate T. So we can say multiply both sides by T. So now we want to make T the subject. We want to make D rather the subject of formula. Okay, so now we multiply both sides by T. Because T is divided, D is divided by T here. To eliminate T, since it's division, we use multiply both sides by T. Remember the inverse principle as we discussed while solving equations. So we say S multiplied by T is equal to D over T multiplied by T. So in this case, T can go out with T, so that we will get S times T is equals to D. So we can bring that to the right hand side and say D is equals to S times T, or you can simply put ST. All right, so this is what we'll be doing majorly in this topic. So in our next class, we'll take more examples. This is just an introduction. So in our next class, we'll take more examples and see how we can solve more problems regarding formula rearrangement. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. You can as well support us by sending us star. Thank you. See you in our next class. Bye.